I'm going to show how to replace the battery in a 2026 GMC Terrain key fob. This uses the CR2450 battery, which can be purchased at most big box stores. Begin by removing the inner key. To do this, find the key release button located on the side. Press the button and remove the inner key in this manner. This will reveal a small slot as seen here in this location. Insert the tip of the key into the slot and turn the key so it pries the case apart. Now you can finish opening the case using your fingers. This exposes the old battery that needs to be replaced. To remove, insert the tip of the key into one of these two slots. Then pry the battery from its seated position. The old one can now be easily removed using your fingers. Next, install the new battery in the reverse order, making sure the positive side is facing up. Once the battery has been seated into place, you can return the back cover. When placing the cover back on, begin with the rounded edge first. This will help hinge it into the proper position. Then, snap it into place using your fingers. And finally, return the key and the key fob is ready to use.